You've been a part of our team, Ryan, but you are officially here with us on the 6 o'clock, so welcome.
Thank you so much. It's funny, I've done it so many times just as a fill-in, but this is the first real one. So just know it's an honor to be in this seat, that I have a ton of respect for Joe Cupo and Keith, and I'll do my best to carry on the tradition.
I think you'll do just fine.
I think so too.
I appreciate that. And on day one here, we've got some rain that's been out there tonight. It's been heavy in spots. Varying intensity right now, but there are some downpours, especially moving through central Maine at this point. Southern Maine, a few spotty downpours. You can see a pretty good one going right through Kittery and Portsmouth now. And this is racing north, so it'll head right into the Portland area here in the next 15 or 20 minutes. Lewiston, we have light to moderate rain, but by far the most widespread area of steady rain now lifting north of Bangor up into the central highlands. There have even been a few lightning strikes in some places over the last couple of hours, so it wouldn't shock me to see that as we go through the evening. Winds out of the southeast over down east Maine. It's actually warmest now in Calais. However, once the storm system goes by to our north tonight, the wind will change direction and chillier air will move in tomorrow. And it's not just going to be chilly for us, it's chilly all the way into the southeast, where there are freeze warnings that go all the way into central Florida. So a taste of the season to come for them too. Hour by hour through the evening, showers, downpours continue through about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. And then I think by midnight, most of the rain shifts into northern Maine. At that point, the wind now comes in out of the west, cold front goes by, and temperatures start to drop over southern Maine. But tomorrow morning, you may still wake up to some mild air early on over down east, and then that cool air invades through the whole state through the day tomorrow. I think it's a rather cloudy day. It's brisk, it's chilly with a gusty breeze, and temperatures that during the afternoon that will struggle to hit 40. In fact, in the mountains and far north, will be right around freezing tomorrow afternoon. There's a chance for a flurry or a snow shower, more likely in the mountains, but a few could make it out of the mountains tomorrow evening. So just be aware of that. You see here at 10 o'clock tomorrow night, a few snow showers over eastern and northern Maine. That may be a situation we've got to keep an eye on. I don't think it's much more than a coating in some spots if that were to happen. Then on Wednesday, we're still chilly. However, it's not quite as cold, and the wind lightens up a little bit. So it feels probably a tad better, but still only in the low 40s on Wednesday, with maybe a flurry or sprinkle that's out there. But no big weather systems are expected into the middle of the week. It just remains somewhat unsettled and certainly cooler than average. Temperatures on Friday still only low to mid 40s, so it's going to be a cool week for sure. Seas tomorrow 5 to 7 feet with a west wind 20 to 30 knots, increasing in the afternoon, and a gale warning is up here on the water. So lots of clouds tomorrow, a brisk, chilly, and breezy day. Afternoon temperatures will struggle to get out of the 30s. A flurry or sprinkle possible on Wednesday, perhaps a shower around on Thursday, but it doesn't look like anything big at this point. And then we turn chilly for Saturday. Looks like it comes with some sunshine. We've got to watch Sunday night into Monday. There may be something trying to brew in that time frame. We'll take a closer look at that tomorrow if it's still on the model set.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.